This is a refresher video for the belt and disc sander. Before you make any adjustments, make sure you unplug and hit the stop button on the machine. Surface angle adjustments can be made by the knobs under each side of the table. The support brace on the table can be adjusted by turning the black knob, finding the proper angle, and retightening the black knob, making sure it's secure. To make the belt sander upright, you'll find the plunger in the back of the machine at the bottom of the belt sander. And to change the angle of the table on the belt sander, you'll find the knob on the lever arm underneath the table. When you're finished working with the disc or belt sander, unplug the machine and please clean up after yourself.